it up, we're ready to hit the road, but something just came in the mail that I ordered for this trip and I didn't think it was gonna make it in time, but it showed up. Let me show you what that is and then we'll hit the road. Kind of the main downside about this pop-up camper is it doesn't have a water heater, which means it doesn't have a shower. So I reached out to a company called Camplux. They make this portable water heater shower. Told them I wanted to try it out. So let's get this thing installed and see if we can get some hot water coming out of this. Maybe we'll have a shower on the trip. So I put these hooks up here. They're just the 3M sticky hooks, removable. So hung 2 of those up there. The unit comes with this kind of handle that folds in and out. So that's where the unit's going to be when we use it. When we're not using it, we can stow it away. So that just quick connects into there. Our hot water quick connects on there. We can hook our shower head on there. And then we've got our pump. We'll just set it right here. Plugged in. And we've got our water pickup tube right here. It also comes with the correct gas fitting, so we're just gonna run this up here. I bought kind of a splitter gas fitting, so we've got this and the other gas appliances hooked up, the heater and the stove. So there it is. I think I need to fill up a jug with water and we're ready to rock and roll. There we go. Pump's going, you can hear it light up. Woo. Dang, that is super hot. Looks like we need to tighten a couple of the fittings down. Ooh, that's nice. We ordered and have inside this like pop-up canopy thing that's a shower, like a little shower stall, so we're gonna use that. But this is a sweet setup. I'll put a link to this in the description. As of right now, I like it. It does what I want it to do. For a camper that doesn't have a water heater or a shower, this thing works perfect. So now that we have that installed, it's time to get everything completely loaded up and hit the road. All right, so here's the rig. The truck is ready to go.